You have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root, b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. So what is a, b, and c for this? 1, 4, negative 3. So I have x equals negative b, so I'm going to put in negative 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared. What am I putting for b squared? 16 minus 4 times 1 times negative 3, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So you're going to work inside here. So I have a 16, negative 4 times 1 should give you a negative 4, times the negative 3 gives you a positive 12. So I have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 28, all divided by 2. Did you get this far?
Yes.
Okay, so this is one that you have to go a little step further. It's not a perfect square, so we're not getting two numbers without the radical, but it is one that has a perfect square in it. So we have to simplify this radical. And we didn't do this yesterday, so I wanted to wait and do one today, so I wasn't throwing too much at you yesterday. But you have to remember how to simplify radicals. I don't do factor trees, I just do factors. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me 28, where one of them is a perfect square, so I can take the square root of it. What is it? 4 and 7. So we have 4 and we have 7. Which one's the perfect square? 4. What's the square root of 4?
2.
Okay, so 2 is coming out of the house. So I have negative 4 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 7, all divided by 2. Everybody okay with that?
That's our answer.
So we have to simplify now, and I want you to think of it like this: negative 4 over 2 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 7 over 2. And then we need to simplify negative 4 over 2 is what?
Negative 2.
So I have negative 2 plus or minus, and these two 2's can simplify it out, plus or minus the square root of 7. And this is how you want to leave that problem.
Sweet.
Today I think you'll have some that you have to simplify like that. It is also okay to split up to make two fractions, even if only one of them will simplify. So if this would have been like negative 4 over 3 and 3 over 3, it's okay to leave a fraction here and then simplify this fraction. That's why you want to split it up to be two fractions. If you can't simplify anything, you don't have to split it up. But if you can, you need to split it up. Okay? So today, and we're going to go over this in class, hopefully, you're going to do page 245, 11 through 18, 22, 26, and 27. And we're going to go over, or check off and go over in class. If you weren't here yesterday, I would recommend that you watch the video to get all of it in so you can watch it. Yep, go ahead. Then you can work on this over the weekend if you need to.